Welcome back, office executives. Here in this particular video I am given the task that here are some dates. So these are the dates and I need to find out that in which in the week, in the weekday. So in the which weekday, I mean the first of that month, was in which weekday, either Monday or Tuesday. So what I'll be doing is that we want to first of all, by the date, we need to first find the first day of that particular month. So you will be using e of month and this value comma 1 braces close, enter. So here it is showing, okay, so it is showing 46173. Fine. So what we need to do is that we need to it is showing e of month and it is showing in number. So what we need to do, that we need to minus 1 and then add 1 to it. In that way we can get the first day of that month and drag all the way across to the now let me just find out the value for one cell. Next, after using the e of month minus 1, so end of month and the value which it was asking, so minus 1 for the month and a2 is for the date value, which is in cell a2. So we'll be converting this to text, and then what we'll be doing is that we'll be the weekday, for the weekday we'll be using d 4 days to for the full name of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, braces close and hit enter. So it is supposed to be Wednesday. Let me drag all the way across to the down and then we'll be finding out. So 4 means April of this month. So for April of this month, so April month started, yeah, on Wednesday, and 12/3/25. So instead of 25, let me go for 9. Okay, Tuesday. Both of the in sale A4 and A5, both of the dates are in the same month, that is of September. That's why it's Tuesday. So for September, let's check it out. May, June, July, August, September. Yeah, September starts from Tuesday. Fine. And for 12/3/25, so let me click here, and here I will be using 25, and for the third means March. So March 25 started from Saturday. Yeah, the value is coming exactly as it should come. So if I just click on show formula, this is the formula which you can use to find that of a given date, that particular month started from which day of the week, if you want to find it out. And what if I don't use DDDD? What if I use only so it would if I use only this portion, that is e of month, only this value, so it would return the first day of that month. Fine. So that's all for this small video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.